Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Club, the ultimate destination for in-depth automotive content. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home, focusing exclusively on its exterior design, performance, history, and features. If you love powerful, functional, and stylish vehicles, stay tuned, because this is going to be an exciting ride. The 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home carries forward the legacy of the Savana lineup while incorporating modern refinements. This full-sized motor home is built to exude strength and durability, making it an ideal choice for adventurers and travelers. Its bold and boxy design pays homage to classic motor homes, yet it embraces contemporary styling elements that enhance aerodynamics and efficiency. Let's start with the front fascia. At first glance, the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home commands attention with its imposing grille. The large, chrome-accented grille features the signature GMC badging at the center, giving it an unmistakable presence on the road. The grille design has been refined to improve airflow while maintaining an aggressive stance. Flanking the grille are LED headlamps, a significant upgrade over previous halogen versions. These lights provide superior illumination, ensuring maximum visibility during night drives in harsh weather conditions. Moving down, the bumper is robust and well sculpted, featuring integrated fog lights and air vents that further optimize airflow. The front end is designed to offer both function and style, improving the vehicle's aerodynamics while reinforcing its rugged nature. The hood features subtle contour lines that enhance the overall muscular appeal, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Shifting to the side profile, the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home retains its signature boxy shape, providing ample space within. The elongated structure not only ensures a spacious interior but also enhances stability and handling. The high roofline contributes to an imposing presence, making it stand out among other motor homes. One of the most noticeable updates is the window configuration. GMC has optimized the placement of large panoramic windows along the sides, allowing for maximum natural light inside. These tinted windows not only offer privacy but also reduce heat buildup, making the vehicle more energy efficient. The side mirrors are another critical element. They are now larger and equipped with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring technology. The enhanced mirror design provides a wider field of view, reducing blind spots and ensuring safer lane changes. The body lines are sharp and well-defined, flowing seamlessly from front to rear, giving the vehicle a more dynamic and streamlined appearance. Running boards are strategically positioned along the sides to aid easy entry and exit, further emphasizing its user-friendly design. Another standout feature is the wheel design. The 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home rides on sturdy alloy wheels that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The multi-spoke alloy rims are finished in a sleek silver or optional black trim, complementing the vehicle's exterior color options. Wrapped in all-season, high-traction tires, these wheels ensure optimal grip and performance across varying terrains. Speaking of colors, GMC offers a range of sophisticated paint options for the 2025 Savana Motor Home. Buyers can choose from classic hues like Summit White and Onyx Black or opt for bolder shades such as Midnight Blue and Redwood Metallic. These colors are finished with a high-quality protective coating that resists fading and scratches, ensuring long-lasting vibrancy. Now, let's move to the rear section. The back of the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home is designed with practicality and durability in mind. The vertically aligned LED taillights not only enhance visibility but also give the rear end a modern touch. The large rear doors provide easy access to the cargo area, making loading and unloading hassle-free. A notable addition is the roof-mounted spoiler, which not only improves aerodynamics but also adds a sporty touch to the otherwise rugged design. The rear bumper is reinforced and features integrated reflectors, enhancing safety for night driving. The towing capability of this motor home is evident in the rear hitch setup. The 2025 Savana comes with a factory-installed tow hitch, allowing it to haul trailers, boats, or other recreational equipment with ease. This feature is a testament to its robust construction and versatility. GMC has also introduced improved badging and branding elements. The Savana nameplate is elegantly displayed on the rear, with subtle chrome accents that elevate its premium feel. The GMC logo remains a focal point, symbolizing the brand's commitment to strength and reliability. Aerodynamics play a significant role in the exterior design of the 2025 Savana Motor Home. Despite its large size, GMC has worked on refining airflow through carefully sculpted body panels and roof contours. The addition of underbody shields and side skirts further reduces drag, enhancing fuel efficiency and overall performance. History plays a crucial role in understanding the evolution of the GMC Savana. This model has been a staple in GMC's lineup for decades, known for its durability and adaptability. The 2025 version builds on that legacy, incorporating modern design cues while staying true to its utilitarian roots. GMC has continuously improved the Savana to meet the changing demands of road trippers and adventure enthusiasts, ensuring that this motor home remains a top choice in its segment. The attention to detail in the exterior design of the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home is evident in every aspect, from the bold front grille to the practical rear. Every element serves a purpose, whether it's the upgraded lighting, aerodynamic refinements, or durable materials. GMC has crafted a vehicle that blends function with aesthetics. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home is a perfect blend of rugged durability and modern sophistication. Its imposing stance, well-defined body lines, and thoughtfully integrated features make it an excellent choice for those seeking adventure with style. If you're a fan of powerful and reliable motor homes, this is undoubtedly a vehicle worth considering. That wraps up our in-depth look at the exterior of the 2025 GMC Savana Motor Home. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Club for more in-depth automotive content. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we explore more fascinating vehicles and their unique features. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.